Hello my beautiful people, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist, and today I'll show you how to make super easy but amazing looking hairstyles with claw clips. And because of the quarantine and overall we stay at home a lot of time, almost all have something like that at home. Guys, that's accessory from my childhood, I think. And you know what? This is 90 accessories that are back, so we have to know how to use them, okay? I'm so excited, let's get started. Let's skip this, okay? That's enough. Watch it till the end so you'll make sure you know every single hairstyle from thumbnail how to recreate. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. And so excited, let's get started.
We'll begin with our first half updo, simple with a small claw clip. So we want to grab our top section and we want to twist it lightly like I'm showing. Pull it a little bit to make it voluminous and pin it from the twist and from the base as well, and you're done. Then second one, we want to grab our hair but only our high top section like I'm showing. You want to twist it, pull the hair to make it into a bun shape and fix it using a claw clip. We want to grab our side sections and twist it both. You want to pull a little bit your crown section in the back when bringing these twists and clip it. Brush all your top section and you want to twist it lightly, bring up and down, creating again that bun shape. Pull it and you're good to go. Now we want to grab our top section, twist it like in the first hairstyle. Then you want to grab your side sections from the hair left, bring it together, tie them and make a top detail. Twist it, pull a little bit and your ponytail is done. Now you want to grab all your hair into a low ponytail and then twist it up like that and clip using a claw clip. For our low bun, we want to twist our hair, roll it like that, creating a bun shape, pull it of course, and then clip it. Now we want to grab all our hair into a low ponytail, then twist it, folding your hair up and then leaving the ends out. And yes, you're done. And with this one, we want to wrap our hair the same way, twist it, hiding the ends like making a French twist, and clip it like that. And for our high bun, we want to tie first a very high ponytail. This basically will secure our hair, especially if it's heavy. Then we want to twist it again and then pull it as you twist. Now grabbing the section from the twist, you can see I think what I'm doing here, and grabbing the ends, you want to hide the ends inside and clip it. Pull it a little more and you're done.
I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up. Also, can you make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial, because I post so many videos now. And guys, see you soon. Love you lots.